Hey there, I'm Spencer Ford, a certified financial planner professional and CEO of Conservative Financial Solutions. We created the Money Minute to help give you insights on how you can better your financial life in 5 minutes or less, because oftentimes a better financial life means a better, freer, happier life overall, and that is what we want for you and your family. So let's get into it. In our previous 2 episodes, we discussed 4 out of the 5 categories that make up your credit score and then gave you some tips on how you can improve it. So if you missed either one of those, please go back and give it a listen. Today we are finishing up our series on how to improve your credit score with category 5 and some helpful hints to not only help you improve your credit score, but also help you prevent from accidentally damaging it. The 5th category that determines your credit score is known as credit mix, and this makes up the last 10% of your score. The score is based on the types of credit you have. Do you just have credit cards, or do you also have mortgage loans, retail accounts, auto loans, and more? The 5 categories for determining your credit score are payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. The first 2, so payment history and amounts owed, combine for 65% of your credit score. So be sure to make your payments on time and keep your revolving utilization below 30%. If you do that, you're well on your way to increasing your credit score. But here are some other tips. If you pay off a credit card, think twice before you close the account, as that can negatively impact your credit score. Closing a line of credit can increase your revolving utilization and reduce your average length of credit, both of which can do damage to your score. If you're retired, be sure to check your credit score. If the house is paid off, the credit cards are paid off, and you don't view your credit score, you could end up in a situation where you have bad credit or no credit. I've seen too many retirees get denied loans because they have no credit. They have $5 million in their retirement accounts, but they can't get a loan for a condo in Florida, all because they have no credit. So be sure to keep some of your lines of credit active and open in case you want to apply for a loan later on. Thanks for listening to our 3-part series on how to improve your credit. I hope you found it helpful. I'm your host of the Money Minute, Spencer Ford, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Money Minute. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to be notified when more podcasts are released.
Securities offered only by duly registered individuals through Madison Avenue Securities, LLC, MAS, member FINRA, SIPC. Investment advisory products and services made available through AE Wealth Management, LLC, AEWM, a registered investment advisor. MAS and Conservative Financial Solutions are not affiliated companies. Insurance products are offered through the insurance business Conservative Financial Solutions. AEWM does not offer insurance products. The insurance products offered by Conservative Financial Solutions are not subject to investment advisory requirements. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Any references to protection, safety, type income generally refer to fixed insurance products, never securities or investments. Insurance guarantees are backed by the financial strength and claims paying abilities of the issuing carrier. This podcast is intended for informational purposes only. It is not intended to be used as the sole basis for financial decisions, nor should it be construed as advice designed to meet the particular needs of an individual situation. Conservative Financial Solutions is not permitted to offer, and no statement made during the show shall constitute tax or legal advice. Our firm is not affiliated with or endorsed by the U.S. government or any governmental agency. The information and opinions contained herein provided by third parties have been obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but accuracy and completeness cannot be guaranteed by Conservative Financial Solutions.